Hello everyone, my name is Simon Garcia and I'm a GEARUP tutor at Ysleta Middle School. We have learned a variety of concepts in 8th grade mathematics, which will be the foundation for Algebra 1 in Ysleta High School. Now, let's go do a quick refresher on it. So today we're going to be learning about general sequence. A general sequence is a list of patterns or rules that usually establish whole numbers, fractions, names, and variables which can be referred to as terms. Now, let's look at some problems to refresh your memory. Important. Before we start, we must know a key term. We must know what is an apparent pattern. It is a pattern that commonly establishes a relationship between all numbers. Examples of patterns. Odd numbers. Take 10 seconds and think of some. Correct. If you thought about 1, 3, 5, and 7, and 9, you're correct. Now think about even numbers. Take 10 seconds and think about some even numbers. Correct. If you thought about 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, you're right. Example 1. What equation describes on this pattern? 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Take 10 seconds to solve this problem. Now, the answer is AN equals 5N. Why? Because it's going by 5. Now, let's test it. So if A1 equals to 5 times 1 equals 5, which is correct. Now A2 equals 5 times 2 equals 10, which is correct. A3 equals to 5, 3 equals 15, which is correct. What equation describes on this pattern? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We are trying to find the equation 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We know that it's increasing by 2. We're going to have a 2n, but 2 times 1 equals 2, not 1. We must find A1. In this case, it's 1. Now we are going to subtract by 2 because that's how it increases. 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. The equation for this problem is going to be AN equals 2n minus 1. Let's test it now. A3 3 equals 2 times 3 minus 1 equals 5. A5 equals 2 times 5 minus 1 equals 9. It checks out. Remember, a general sequence is a list of patterns or rules that usually establish whole numbers, fractions, names, and variables, which can be referred to as terms. If you need more help, go to tutor.com. They can better assist you there. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Simon Pierre Garcia, a GEARUP tutor at Ysleta Middle School. See you on the next one.